$1,000 a week is $4,000 a month and $48,000 a year. And the AI tools that make that income level possible for anyone are already available right now for less than $200 per month. Think about what $1,000 a week would actually change in your life. Not theoretically, practically. What would you stop doing that you currently do out of financial necessity? What would you start doing that you currently cannot afford? Who would you spend more time with? Where would you go? The gap between your current income and $1,000 a week is not a talent gap. It is not a luck gap. It is not a timing gap. It is a system gap. The people generating $1,000 a week or more from AI tools are not more creative than you, or more technically skilled than you, or better connected than you. They built 4 specific income streams using AI tools that together generate $1,000 per week, and they activated those streams in the right sequence. This video gives you that system. This video is for anyone who has a clear income target of $1,000 per week and wants to know exactly which AI tools to use and exactly which income streams to build and exactly in which order to activate them to reach that target as fast as possible. By the end of this video, you will have the complete 4-stream AI income system that generates $1,000 per week with realistic income numbers at month 3, month 6, and month 12 for every single stream, so you can see exactly how the math builds over time. One thing before we start. Stay with me until income stream 4. It is the stream that gets most people to $1,000 per week fastest, and it is the one most people never activate because they tell themselves their audience is too small, or their email list is too short, or they need more time before they are ready. That belief is costing them their fastest path to $1,000 per week. We will dismantle it completely when we get to stream 4. Income stream 1 is Faceless YouTube ad revenue combined with affiliate commissions, and it is the foundation income stream that compounds automatically as your video library grows. Claude writes your complete video scripts in under 2 minutes. 11 Labs converts those scripts into professional human-quality voiceovers in under 10 minutes. Descript assembles your complete video with visuals, captions, and music in under 90 minutes. You publish 3 videos per week in a high CPM niche. Each video earns ad revenue every day it exists on YouTube and generates affiliate commissions from every tool mentioned in its description for as long as those links are live. The weekly income from this stream looks like this at 3 key points. At month 3, your channel has approximately 36 published videos and is generating between $40 and $80 per week in YouTube ad revenue, plus $20 to $40 per week in early affiliate commissions. Total weekly income from stream 1 at month 3: $60 to $120 per week. At month 6, your channel has approximately 72 published videos and is generating between $150 and $250 per week in YouTube ad revenue, plus $75 to $150 per week in recurring affiliate commissions. Total weekly income from stream 1 at month 6: $225 to $400 per week. At month 12, your channel has over 150 published videos and is generating between $400 and $700 per week in YouTube ad revenue, plus $150 to $300 per week in recurring affiliate commissions. Total weekly income from stream 1 at month 12: $550 to $1,000 per week. Tools needed: Claude, 11 Labs, Descript, Midjourney, Canva, Publer, Opus Clip. Setup time for your first video is under 3 hours once your production template is built. Income stream 2 is AI generated digital products. And it is the income stream that starts generating passive weekly income faster than any other stream on this list. Because it requires zero audience size and zero following to make your first sale. Claude writes complete digital products in hours: ebooks, templates, prompt libraries, resource guides, swipe files, checklists, Canva formats. Every product into a professional downloadable PDF in under 2 hours. Gumroad and Etsy list and deliver every product automatically with no manual involvement after the initial setup. The weekly income from this stream at 3 key points looks like this. At month 3, you have 5 to 8 products listed across Gumroad and Etsy, generating between $20 and $50 per week from organic platform search traffic and promotion in your YouTube video descriptions. Total weekly income from stream 2 at month 3, $20 to $50 per week. At month 6, you have 12 to 18 products listed, and your YouTube channel is driving consistent traffic to your Gumroad and Etsy shops, generating between $75 and $150 per week in passive product sales. Total weekly income from stream 2 at month 6, $75 to $150 per week. At month 12, you have 25 or more products listed across multiple platforms, and your growing email list is promoting new products to a warm audience automatically through kit sequences, generating between $150 and $300 per week in passive digital product income. Total weekly income from stream 2 at month 12, $150 to $300 per week. Tools needed: Claude, Canva, Gumroad, Etsy, Kit. Setup time for your first 3 products is 1 weekend. Income stream 3 is AI-powered affiliate marketing content, and it is the income stream that generates the highest recurring commission rate of any stream on this list, because it is built specifically around targeting the commercial intent search terms that attract buyers rather than browsers. Claude writes complete review and comparison articles, YouTube scripts, and email content that targets searches like best AI tools for content creators, 11 labs versus 11 AI comparison, top affiliate marketing tools 2026, and similar high commercial intent queries where the person searching is actively looking to buy. Descript produces video versions of your review content that rank on YouTube search for those same commercial intent terms. Every piece of review content has your affiliate links prominently placed and generates recurring commissions from every tool subscription it refers indefinitely. The weekly income from this stream at 3 key points looks like this. At month 3, you have 10 to 15 pieces of review content published, generating between $30 and $70 per week in early recurring affiliate commissions. Total weekly income from stream 3 at month 3, $30 to $70 per week. At month 6, you have 30 or more pieces of review content published, and your first referred subscribers are now in their 4th and 5th month of recurring billing, generating between $150 and $250 per week in compounding recurring commissions. Total weekly income from stream 3 at month 6, $150 to $250 per week. At month 12, you have 60 or more pieces of review content published, and your recurring commission base has compounded to include subscribers referred in months 1 through 11, all paying monthly commissions simultaneously, generating between $300 and $500 per week in completely passive recurring income. Total weekly income from Stream 3 at month 12, $300 to $500 per week. Tools needed: Claude, Descript, individual affiliate program accounts. Setup time is one afternoon to sign up for your top 15 affiliate programs and produce your first 3 review pieces. Before we get to Income Stream 4, I need to address the single biggest mistake people make when they discover what Income Stream 4 is. They see it and immediately talk themselves out of it. They say their audience is too small. They say their email list only has 200 people. They say they need more subscribers before they are ready to launch. That belief is exactly backwards, and it is costing them the fastest path to $1,000 per week. Income Stream 4 is automated course sales through Kajabi, and it is the single highest weekly income contributor of any stream on this list from the moment it activates. Claude validates your course topic by analyzing the top 20 best-selling courses in your niche on Udemy in under 5 minutes. Claude writes your complete course curriculum, all module outlines, and every lesson script in under 2 hours. Synthesia produces every course lesson as a professional AI avatar video without a camera or studio. Kajabi hosts your complete course, processes every payment, delivers instant access to every student, and manages the complete customer experience automatically without your involvement in any transaction. You build the course once in a single weekend, and Kajabi sells and delivers it around the clock forever. Here is the truth about list size and course launches that most people never hear. A list of 300 subscribers at a 2% conversion rate produces 6 course sales. A course priced at $397 generates $2,382 from 6 sales. That is $595 per week from a single launch to a list of 300 people. Your audience does not need to be large, it needs to be warm. And your kit email sequence is warming every new subscriber automatically from the moment they join your list. The weekly income from this stream at 3 key points looks like this. At month 3, you launch your first course to whatever list you have built. Even a list of 200 subscribers at 2% conversion generates 4 sales at $397, producing $1,588 in the launch week. After the launch, your course generates between $100 and $200 per week in ongoing evergreen sales from your YouTube video description links. Total weekly income from Stream 4 at month 3. $100 to $200 per week ongoing after the initial launch spike. At month 6, your list has grown to between 500 and 1,000 subscribers, and your course generates between $250 and $500 per week from a combination of email list promotions, evergreen YouTube traffic, and your second course launch to a larger list. Total weekly income from Stream 4 at month 6. $250 to $500 per week. At month 12, your list has grown significantly. You have launched your course twice to increasingly larger audiences. And your evergreen course sales from a 12-month-old YouTube library are generating between $400 and $700 per week in automated course income with zero manual involvement in any sale or delivery. Total weekly income from Stream 4 at month 12. $400 to $700 per week. Tools needed: Claude, Synthesia, Kajabi. Setup time is 1 to 2 weekends to build a complete 4 to 6 module course. Now let us look at the complete weekly income picture at month 12, when all 4 streams are running simultaneously. Stream 1, Faceless YouTube and affiliate commissions, generates $550 to $1,000 per week. Stream 2, AI digital products generates $150 to $300 per week. Stream 3, affiliate marketing content generates $300 to $500 per week. Stream 4, automated course sales generates $400 to $700 per week. Conservative combined weekly income at month 12, $1,400 per week. Realistic combined weekly income at month 12, $2,500 per week. $1,000 per week is not the ceiling of this system. It is the floor you reach at approximately month 6 to 9 when all 4 streams are active and compounding simultaneously. The activation sequence that gets you to $1,000 per week fastest is this. Activate Stream 1 immediately because your content library is the engine that drives traffic to every other stream, and every week without it is compounding income you never recover. Activate Stream 2 in week 2 because Claude can create your first digital product today, and Gumroad has zero setup cost, which means your first passive income sale can happen before the end of your first month. Activate Stream 4 before your list feels ready because $500 from a launch to 200 subscribers is proof that the system works. And it is the income spike that funds every other investment in your stack. Activate Stream 3 in parallel with Stream 1 because every review piece you produce from this point forward generates compounding recurring commissions that grow automatically without additional effort. If this system gave you a clear path to $1,000 per week, hit the like button and subscribe for new AI income videos every single week. Grab the free AI Tools cheat sheet in the description below. It lists every tool from this video with direct links, current pricing, and affiliate program details all in one place. Next video, we are breaking down how to build a fully automated sales funnel that converts cold traffic into paying customers around the clock without any manual involvement at any stage. You will not want to miss that one. See you there.